Where's he? Where's he? Stop. What? Where is he? Where is he? Hmm? Where's he? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Is that a black lab?
Yeah.
Yeah, I used to have a black lab. He lived till 16. Is it a he or a she? Friendly?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll see what happens. Oh, no, yeah, it's okay, it's okay. They're just smelling. Yeah, well, Slider does too, believe me.
But he's 80 pounds, I can't handle it.
Oh, okay. He's 13. Uh-oh. Wait a minute, Slider. Let me untie. 13 pounds. Oh, no. There you go. Untangled already. Okay. Be friends. Be friends.
He's too playful.
Come on, be friends. Come here. There. Hey, you'll be friends. See that? Okay. Give you a little leash. They just gotta let to know each other. It's probably the humans that are causing this.
When I take him to the dog park, he doesn't get near as excited. He's just
Oh, really?
He just kind of totes around.
Well, see, Slider's getting already calm. I don't know if I want to be sitting here. Hey, no, Slider. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Oh, and Slider's jealous of.
He's like, don't you dare pet that dog.
Yeah, I have 2 cats also, and whenever I say hello to either of them, he just like runs up and tries to barrel over the cat. But you know, they're friends and all, but he doesn't.
But he's like,
Yeah.
this is my guy.
Yeah, that's exactly right.
Huh.
What's your dog's name?
Romeo.
Romeo? This is Slider.
He's a cutie pie.
How old is he?
I think he's 3 or 4.
Not like a year, right?
Yeah, well, a year and like a couple 4 months or
Or
something.
a few months maybe.
My lab's name was
Hey,
Sark.
sit up. Good boy.
Yeah, right.